Hello everyone, this is Moses from Moses in Korea. As you know, I told you about the application you need to download if you are living here in Korea and the YouTube channel that you can check if you want to learn Korean language. And today, I will tell you about seasoning. Guys, do you know kimchi? Haha. If you like Korea, you should know kimchi. I have been living in Korea for more than 3 years and it is so sad. When I go out with my friend or go back home, it's not easy to find kimchi. But I want to show you something. This is called kimchi seasoning mix. And if you want to enjoy your meal, like with kimchi, this is the right one. You know what? You just sprinkle on the food and that's all. So if you are curious on how to do it, keep in touch. So guys, first of all, I will show you how I enjoy my meal. If you are living in one room, haha, you cannot miss ramen. So now I will show you how I enjoy my ramen with this kimchi seasoning mix. Chup chup chup. Ooh, delicious. Okay, so I will enjoy my ramen. Guys, you have to be careful. It is hot. That's cool. Delicious. Somehow spicy, but I love spicy food. So guys, if you want to enjoy the kimchi taste, this kimchi seasoning is right for you. That's how I usually enjoy my ramen. Oh, it's hot and spicy, but it's delicious. Guys, I got an idea. How will it be if I put this kimchi seasoning in water? Haha. I have to try, you know. Hey. Do you see? Don't use it only in water. That's why now I will show you how to use it when you're outside. I have some salad, some kimchi and barbecue chicken. This is my today's menu. And using this kimchi seasoning, I will try this salad and eat like kimchi. So, are you curious how it tastes? Okay, so don't change the channel. And I will try to mix. Yeah. Somehow spicy and salty. I want a small chicken like this. Okay. Yeah. Wow. This is more delicious than salad. It's like the taste of the chicken and some spicy and some salty. Oh, it's really my taste. I love it. Guys, today I enjoyed my food with this kimchi seasoning mix. It was awesome. The taste is a little bit spicy and salty, but if you mix it with the food, it is amazing. So One good thing of this kimchi seasoning, if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, you can make your own kimchi with this one and test the taste of kimchi in other food. So, how was the video? If you enjoyed the video, of course, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. 안녕!